Hey y'all, this is Gensler Atlanta. My name is Breezy Adiano, and I'm here with my friend Mary Johnson. We're excited to show you our office.
When we started to redesign our space, we realized we were craving a creative environment that felt authentically us, something more approachable and more human. We knew we wanted to break out of the typical corporate profession feel and really celebrate the rich and vibrant culture of Atlanta.
We're currently in Millard Hall. This space does a little bit of everything for us. Co-working, casual meetings, external events, happy hour, things of the like. It was named after our founder, Millard Arthur Gensler. As busy as it can be, it's proven to be a space for focus when people prefer to hide away amongst the buzz of the office.
Like this spot right here. This one is one of my favorites. A booth by the window where I can bask in the light. Basically like a cat in the afternoon sun.
As we tour the rest of the space, you'll notice a few of our other favorite little details. This is the lot. It connects our two teeming neighborhoods. This is our tech-enabled open gathering space that's not only great for hosting in-person ideation sessions, but also hybrid meetings. When we invite our clients into this space, they really get a glimpse into our way of working.
Exactly. This is where we can blur the lines of formal client presentations with our day-to-day more creative chaos. When we invite our clients here, it deepens our connection, and they can see firsthand how we can bring their needs to life. We're still learning a lot of surprising things about the ways people like to work. The lot has proven to be an adaptable space that blends a variety of work modes. We see focus work happening amongst all of the open meetings.
Let's check out the industry in the district. We're now standing in the district, one of our two teeming neighborhoods. Instead of a more typical desking system, we have agile sit-to-stand workstations that can rotate based on any collaborative needs or simply for a better view. This neighborhood identity was inspired by Atlanta's vibrant art and design culture. The industry works the same way, just with a different vibe. We knew we needed a moment for all things Atlanta music and film.
Nearby is the Canopy. Think of this as a true focus space. No loud phone calls or meetings in here, y'all. Atlanta's known as the city in the forest, which inspired the identity of this neighborhood. All four corners of our office are anchored with a terrace, the perfect place to celebrate with a view.
There are a few other space types that were a major upgrade from our previous space. Focus rooms are a must-have in our new hybrid world of work. Our wellness room has everything we need for nursing, privacy, and a moment to recharge. And our multifaith room was thoughtfully designed to provide a quiet space specifically for prayer and meditation.
Finally, this next space is where we get to play, experiment, and start to bring our designs to life. The Design Lab houses all our finished samples, from fabrics and tiles to flooring and metals. It brings us all together, from our brand designers to our architects. This is also where we experiment with furniture and technology to help us visualize the spaces that we create. We have incredible relationships with design industry vendors who change up this product lab space with new product launches for us to test and work in.
You can pretty much always find me working here. The Design Lab is always changing with fresh inspiration everywhere. I love that it's occasionally buzzy with vendor pop-ups, but also quiet and moody.
Well guys, thanks for hanging with us. It's a difficult task to design for designers, but we're so thrilled that this space truly feels like us.
We hope you got to feel a little bit of Atlanta, a little bit of Gensler, and a whole lot of us. See y'all next time.